Hi and welcome to our tutorial on creating a Weebly website for EDPS 5441. Some things have changed in Weebly recently and I wanted to make sure you're up to date with the new interface that you're going to be working with this semester. To get started, you'll either need to create a new login on the left hand side, or if you have an existing login, you can just come in and log in using your existing username and password. I'll just take a moment and log in here. And then I'll take you on a little tour of what you're going to be doing to create your Weebly website for our class. The first time you create a site, you may be prompted to a screen that looks like this, where you can see different themes that you can use from your website. You can change these at any time. There's a lot of styles to pick from, a lot of colors you can choose from if you have a specific color that you're interested in, or you can just pick one of their basic templates. I'll just pick this one right here as kind of a basic template for me. Once you create the look of your site, it's going to ask you to name your site. Now, Weebly has 3 different levels of service that you can use. The free and most basic service is the top one here, where you can create a Weebly.com website. Because there are thousands of these on the web, you may have to use some combination of your name and our class number, or something that's unique so that no one else will have that. These last 2 options either require that you pay or that you already have a web domain set up. Let's not use those for this class. I'll click on Continue, and you can see there's my site. Now, in Weebly, we need to use different elements on the side here to add content to our pages, and across the top you can see where we've got some settings up here. So for example, the first thing that I'm going to do with my site is I'm going to add some pages. For our class, we need to make 3 distinct pages that you're going to put content on throughout the course of this semester. The first page that I'm going to ask you to make is your About Me page. So this is a little biography page that you can make. You can see that it has some different options here as ways that you can save this or customize it. I'm just going to come down and click the Save and Edit option. So now I have a page called About Me. You can see it's highlighted over here on the right hand side of my screen, and there's my image. And it wants me to pull in some elements to kind of put content on this page. For your About Me page, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to make a page that has a brief bio of yourself, and maybe a little bit about why you're interested in being a teacher. I'd also like you to include a picture of yourself. So you can see over here that there are several options of elements. The one that I want is the image and text option. You can see I'll just drag that to my screen, and then I can come in and paste my text. And if I click on the image, it lets me pull images from the web, but I'd like a picture of you if that's okay. Not a picture of a cat or something like that. I'd really like to see a photo of you. So you can see I'm just uploading those, and those are now part of my page. You can customize fonts and all those kinds of things just by using these little property bars. Okay, that page is pretty much done, so I'm going to click on the Pages tab and create my last 2 pages. Again, I'll select Add a Page, and I'm going to pick the standard style page for this. We're going to call this page our Projects page. As you work throughout the semester, you'll be building different projects and different assignments, and you'll add those here as they come up. We're not quite ready for that yet, so we'll just leave that page blank for right now. The last page that we're going to make is called your Reflective Journal. Now this page, instead of creating a standard style page, I'd like you to make a blog page. I'll be giving you writing prompts throughout the semester where you look at different technologies and how you can use them in the classroom, and I'd like for you to use this page as a way that you can blog or share your ideas. It's one of the primary reasons why I like us to use Weebly is a reflective journal allows you to take those comments with you when you leave school, whether or not it was in Canvas or something like that. You can still have access to your content. So we're going to make a blog page, and I'm going to call this the Reflective Journal. Okay, and we'll save and edit that page. Now, one thing you should notice about the Reflective Journal page, as we kind of scroll down here, you can see that it allows you to do some different things. Instead of having places to drag just the elements, you actually create posts. Newer posts go to the top of the screen, and then they move down chronologically. So if you want to make your first post, you just click on New Post, and you can see this is where you'll drag the elements. So if I want to say, Welcome. Okay. And now if I wanted to add some content, you can see that I can drag in text, and I could paste content in here. Other things that I can pull in. Notice if I kind of scroll down this list, I've got a lot of different kinds of content that I can pull in. Things from YouTube, I can pull in different kinds of documents, different files. All of this content can be pulled in by dragging and dropping. You can kind of see how that works. Okay. When I'm all done and I'm ready to share this as my assignment, I need you to come up and click in the top right corner on the Publish button. Once you click Publish, your site will then be live so that other people can see it. What you'll be providing for me in Canvas is this link right here, this HTTP and then your name or whatever you're calling your site, .weebly.com. That's what you'll copy and paste into Canvas. I hope this was helpful for you as you kind of get started. If you need additional help while you're working on this assignment, please notice that one of the options across the top of your Weebly screen is a question mark. That will let you go into support, also into a site planner where they have all kinds of content that can help you work and build your site. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching, everyone.